So for homework 3, we're going to look at this first question of determine if V1 could be written as a linear combination of V2 and V3 for the following set. If it is possible to write V1 as a linear combination of V2 and V3, give the linear combination. If it is impossible, justify why it is impossible. So here in the compute, we're going to be using the computation rubric for this question because this requires quite a bit of computation. Here, as we go through, there's no arithmetic errors. So for correctness, it's a 2. You set up your system of equations, the arithmetic is correct. So 2. However, there's a lot, this jump here, from here to here, is quite a big jump, and there's no real justification. So here, it is easy to follow the computation. There's no log jump once made in the computation and is non-excessive amount of steps provided. Any logical jump that is made using a theorem is proper or property is the problem is clearly justified. Here there is details here that are missing. How did we get we suppose that there was a linear combination here. It's impossible. But what does that mean in terms of it not being linearly independent? There's not a great lead in, there's not a great ending. So while it is nicely laid out, it's easy to follow. There are instances where not too much detail. This I wouldn't say is there, but not enough detail is provided. Too few of steps. And here, this would be leaning between a 1 and a 0. You can provide some more justification pretty easily. Here you would create an augmented matrix, solve your augmented matrix, and go back. So there's details in between these steps that are quite missing. And then there's also some details at the beginning and the end in terms of introducing the problem and concluding the problem that would be nice to have. So this would be going between a 2 and a 3, between a 0 marks in terms of the justification provided and large logical steps, 1 mark and be on that edge. I probably would give this a 0 for the clarity and a 2 for the correctness. I might give it a 1. I'd be leaning there. But to make it a little bit more clear, from here to here, I'd give some sort of explanation for how I got from this system of equations to this equivalent system of equations. And then, no, it is not what. I'd clarify what this statement is a little bit and provide a little bit more justification there. And just to make it a nice, clearer argument at the end.